Hi students, today we are going to learn the new lesson Tortoise and Turtles. Okay students, we have completed the second term successfully. Now we are moving to third term. Okay, now let me see the new lesson Tortoise and Turtles. What is meant by tortoise? Tortoise means almond, right? Yes, turtle means kadal almond. See, the both animals or insects, okay, it is in same, like the same, as like, look as like, அதாவது ஒரே மாதிரி. Okay, now let me see the domestic animal. What are the domestic animals are same as like the other? Yes, sheep and goat. Yes, sheep also like the same creature, and the goat also like as the like the sheep, right? And also frog, toad. Yes, sheep and goat. Sheep, goat. Yes, next cow, oxen. Yes, these some of the creatures are look like the other animal, right? Like this. Now take your book, page number 80. See, get set. Do you know the differences in these animals? Find out more about their differences. See, there are some pictures are given. See, what is that? Alligator, crocodile. Alligator means it is just like as the crocodile. Crocodile mariye irukum alligator. It is also one type of the crocodile, right? Okay, see, crocodile. So both animals are like each other, okay, as like each other. Adha onnu mariye innonu irukum. Next one, leopard and cheetah. See, leopard also has the dot in its body, and the cheetah also has the dot in this body, right? So both are same as like if we see, right? Next, now we are going to see the lesson reading junction. Tortoise and turtles are fascinating creatures. What is meant by fascinating? Yes, it is interesting. Okay, if one is like other means we will see very interestingly, right? Yes, wow, super. As like man, if I am a girl, right, I am a lady, like me another one lady is there, means I will get very interesting about to know her, right? என்ன மாதிரியே இன்னொருத்தங்க இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்கள பார்த்து நான் அப்படியே ஆச்சரியப்பட்டு அவங்கள பத்தி நான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னு நினைப்பேன், right? Like this, here are two same as like the fascinating means interesting. Okay, interesting creatures are here. Do you know they carry their homes with them? These two see creatures. What are the creatures? Tortoise and turtles. These two creatures can carry their home with them. Yes, we can see, right? ஆமை வந்து மேல என்ன இருக்கும், மூடி வச்சிருக்கும். So it is taking its home with it, right? அது வந்து அது முதுகுலையே அதோட வீடையும் சேர்த்து என்ன செஞ்சுட்டு போகுது, தூக்கிட்டு போகுது. Yes, and turtle also like that. So we are going to learn that two fascinating creatures, right? Yes, tortoise and turtles have hard, bony cells on their backs to protect their bodies. See why it is taking the home with them? Because it is the protection for them. Yes, for us also home is the protecting thing for us, right? If we have any danger means we will come inside the home and take rest after finishing our work or after going to school and come means we can stay in the home, right? Because it is our protecting area, right? Yes, see, tortoise and turtles have hard bony cells on their backs to protect their bodies. See, cell, a new word we are going to learn. Cell, synonyms. Cell means the hard outer frame. The hard outer frame means the tortoise and also the turtle have the shape, some shape. If the turtle is like this, here means there is one shape like this, right? Yes, it is the home for that creature. Okay, see, bony shells means எலும்பு, இந்த கரடு முடன்னு இருக்கிற இந்த shells, இதை வச்சு தான் அது வந்து என்ன செய்யும், இதுக்குள்ள போய் தான் என்ன செஞ்சுவிடும், ஒளிஞ்சுக்கிடும். ஓகே, the shells also act as their homes. Bony shells on their backs to protect their bodies. In here only the tortoise and turtles are here. If anyone attack, that means it can go inside its home, so that it can get protection. So it is carrying its cells on with their body, right? The cells also act as their homes. These animals retract. See, retract. Retract. What is the meaning for retract? Yes, pull back. Pull back means if anyone going to attack, okay, or going to beat or doing something, means it can do what it can do, it get inside it home. Okay, தலையை மட்டும் இப்படி வெளியே வச்சிருக்கோம், யாராவது அட்டாக் பண்ண வராங்கன்னு தெரிஞ்சா டபக்குன்னு தலையை தூக்கி உள்ளே நினைச்சுக்கிடும், இந்த இதுக்குள்ளே இழுத்துக்கிடும். Okay, so see, these animals retract into their cells in the times of danger or inactivity. Times of danger means ஏதாவது ஒரு கஷ்டத்துல, okay, any problem is come there means it go inside. And also inactivity means if it is not doing anything, it is not moving, it is not doing or eating or anything, it is not doing, means at that time also it get inside the shells. Okay, now people, next page 81. People often think that turtles and tortoise are the same. Yes, we are all think, yes, the tortoise and the turtles are the same thing. It is not different like that we think. But see here, it is different. How we are how we can know? Let me see. Yes, but they are very different creatures. Let us learn about their differences. நம்ம நினைப்போம் tortoise ஒண்ணுதான், turtles ஒண்ணுதான் அப்படின்ட்டு, but it is different. Okay, let me see the differences between the tortoise and turtles. Yes, tortoise. See, tortoise live in land. Here tortoise, here turtle. Okay, we are going to know the differences. Okay, see, first one, tortoise live in land. Tortoise only live in land. Okay, but the turtle live in or around water. Turtle means கடல் ஆமை. கடல் ஆமை ஒன்று தண்ணிக்குள்ளே இருக்கும், இல்லாட்டி தண்ணியை சுற்றி உள்ள ஏரியாவில் இருக்கும். So live in or around water. Okay, the tortoise live in land, the turtle live in or around the water. Okay, next one, next point. Tortoise have large dome shaped cells. Yes, already I told. See, the tortoise have the dome. Dome means it is the shape of, okay, this shape the tortoise have. Tortoise have large dome shaped cells. Their cells are very heavy. It is very heavy weight. Okay, see, it has dome shaped cell. Dome shaped. Okay, the tortoise have dome shaped cell. Turtles have flat and sleek cells. Sleek means நேர்த்தியான. Okay, turtles have flat. Flat means the turtles. Okay, it is the turtle means it has that flat like this, flat. Okay va, dome means இப்படி ரவுண்டா இருக்கும். It is tortoise. Okay, இப்படி flat-ஆ இருந்ததுன்னா it is turtle. This is the difference. Okay, first difference we learn is tortoise live in land, turtle live in water. And the second difference is tortoise have the dome shape and turtle have the flat shape. Okay, flat shape, flat and sleek cells. Their cells are light and which makes it easier for them to swim. And also it is heavy, already we learned, right? Yes, tortoise cell is very heavy, but it is not heavy because it want to swim in the water, right? So it is very thin. Okay, flat and sleek cells, their cells are light, which makes it easier for them to swim. So it is dome shaped, it is flat shaped. And the next difference we are going to learn is tortoise have short and sturdy feet and bent legs. See, tortoise have short and sturdy. Sturdy means tuniyumika, strong. Okay, strong leg, strong feet. Feet means kaal. Okay, kaal adipaham, right? And bent legs. And also see in this picture, the tortoise have bent legs. Leg is lightly bent. Right, so tortoise have short and sturdy feet and bent legs. It has bent leg. Okay, bent legs. Here the turtles have webbed feet. Here the tortoise have short feet. Okay, it have short feet. It have webbed feet. Webbed feet. See, webbed feet means it is like the web. Web means vala mari irukum adoda kaal. Okay, see in that picture, yes, it is easy to swim, right? Yes, turtles have webbed feet with long claws and zipper like fins to make swimming easier. See, it is very easy to swim. Yes, zipper like. Zipper means zip இருக்குல்ல, நம்ம போடுற ஜிப்ல ட்ரெஸ்ல போடுவோம்ல ஜிப், அதே மாதிரி இருக்குமா அதோட ஃபின்ஸ் வந்து. ஓகேவா, அது வந்து ஸ்விம் பண்ணி போறதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், see, it is like a webbed feet and long claws and zipper like fins to swim easier. Next one, tortoise. Tortoise are vegetarian. It is vegetarian. Vegetarian means it is only eat, yes, plants. Okay, vegetarian means it eat only plants. See, now turtles are omnivores and eat both plants and insects. It is omnivore. Omnivore means it can eat plants and insects. Okay, but tortoise is a vegetarian, so it only eat the plant. Turtle is the omnivores, it can eat plant and also insect. Okay, veg சாப்பிடும், non veg சாப்பிடும், இது veg மட்டும் தான் சாப்பிடும். Okay, next one, tortoise can live up to 150 years. See, tortoise are living, yes, 150 years, 150 years it is living. Tortoise. Okay, next, turtles have a shorter lifespan of about 80 years. Only the turtle can live for 80 years. Okay, tortoise can live for 150 years, but turtles only 80 years. See, let me recall the differences between tortoise and turtle. Yes, first one, tortoise live in land, turtle live in water and around the water. Waterல வாழும், இல்லட்டா வாட்டர் சுத்தி உள்ள ஏரியால இருக்கும். Okay, next, tortoise have dome shape. Dome shape means இப்படி வளைஞ்சு போயிருக்கும், right? Dome shaped cells. And the turtle has flat shaped. Flat means இப்படி flat ஆ இருக்கும், plain ஆ இருக்கும். Okay, and tortoise have bent legs, short feet with bent legs. Okay, tortoise, but the turtle has webbed feet. Webbed feet means it is like the web, vada mari irukum, so it is easy to swim in the water. Next one, the tortoise is vegetarian. Vegetarian means it only eat the plant. And turtle is the omnivores. Omnivores means it can eat plant and also insects. And the last difference is tortoise can live for 150 years, but the turtle only for 80 years. Okay, this is the difference between tortoise and turtle. And now Now take your book, page number 82. List us, get going. Okay, let us find the answers from the text. Let us find the answer from the text. Yes, see here, fill in the table with the correct information. With the information we want to fill the table. This is that tabular column, right? Okay, see first, tortoise home. Home, what is the home for tortoise? Yes, on land. Land only it is living, but it can carry the home at behind. Okay, and this turtle also like that, it is also carrying the home behind it, right? And it is where it is living, so it is home. It is living on the land, and turtle is in or around water. The தண்ணி இருக்கிற இடம், தண்ணியை சுத்தி உள்ள இடத்துல வாழுது. Okay, next the shell. See, cell, large dome shaped cell. Dome shaped means already I denoted, yes, this type. Okay, dome shaped cells which are very heavy. It is very heavy to carry. Okay, see, and turtle has the light, very light cell with flat. It is flat like, and sleek shell. Sleek shell means it is web type shell, right? Okay, next one. Feet. It have the short and sturdy feet. Sturdy feet means strong feet, already I told, and bent legs. Leg is bent like this, right? So it has short and sturdy feet and bent legs. Next, the turtle has webbed feet. Webbed feet means it is like the valai. Okay, it is like web, so it is easy to swim in the water, right? Webbed feet with long claws and zipper like fins. Zipper like already I told, zip நம்ம dressல போடுற zip, back க்ளோஸ் பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ற zip, அந்த zip மாதிரி அதோட leg இருக்கும், so it is easy to swim in the water. Okay, next one, food habits. Food habits for both vegetarian. Okay, tortoise is vegetarian and the turtle is omnivores and eat both plants and insects. Okay, next, lifespan. Lifespan of the tortoise is live up to 150 years. 150 means 150 years. Okay, now turtle will live for the shorter life, a span of about 80 years, but the turtle will only live for 80 years. Okay, now your homework, learn and write the synonyms and antonyms. Okay, learn and write the synonyms and antonyms. Okay, in this video we learn about the turtle and tortoise differences. Like this, in the first I told already, yes, there is some domestic animals also like this. Yes, sheep, goat. Yes, already we know, right? Cow, oxen, like this. See the next one. Let us read between the lines. Okay, speaking junction. Let me move to the speaking junction. Make a chart of differences between commonly confused animal. Commonly confused animal means like this fascinating creature. Confused ahula. Idu tattila, tata is we will get confused, right? Like this animal you want to choose. See, example is given here. For example, alligator, crocodile, sheep, goat, frog, toads, etc. Present your chart in class. Now it is your homework. You want to find any two animal, sheep and goat, or frog and toads, or crocodile and alligator, any two. Like this you want to find the difference between with the both animal. Okay, sheep and goat, or cow and oxen. Like this you want to choose any one, any two creature, and you want to differences the things. What are all difference? How it is looks like? What they can eat? How many years it will live? Like this, where it is living? Like this you want to. Like this you want to difference between. Okay. So I give two homework to you. Learn and write synonyms and antonyms. And also one more homework is difference between the two fascinating creatures. Okay, students. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you, students.